How to create Binance Web3 Wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly on how you can create Binance Web3 Wallet step by step, even if you are a complete beginner. We'll cover how to set it up, secure it properly, and start using it for DeFi, NFTs, and crypto transactions. So if you want to access the full power of Web3, this is the perfect place to start. All of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. So first things first, what is a Binance Web3 wallet? It's a self-custody crypto wallet that's integrated directly into your Binance account. Unlike keeping crypto on the exchange, your Web3 wallet gives you full control over your private keys and assets. You can simply use it to interact with DeFi applications, buy and sell NFTs, connect through the decentralized network exchanges, and more, safely and conveniently. It supports multiple blockchains like Ethereum, BNB Smart Chains, Arbitrum, Polygon, and more. Think of it like having your own MetaMask wallet, but easier to set up and link through your Binance account for security protections. Now let's talk about the key features of the Binance Web3 wallet right here. Number one is that it have multi-chain support. You have access to multiple blockchains all in one wallet. You then have the built-in DeFi access. You can swap tokens and invest directly without leaving Binance. You have security backed by Binance for extra protection features including multi-factor authentication, private key recovery options, seed phrase, and social recovery tools. And lastly, they have mobile friendliness. You can simply manage your Web3 wallet directly from the Binance mobile application. And so, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and set it up. First things first, you have to open the Binance application. If you don't have Binance yet, you can just download it from the App Store or Google Play Store and create your account. From there, you want to make sure that your KYC is approved. Now, you have the identity verification, which can help you secure your account safely. Right after that, we then have to go ahead and access the Web3 wallet section. And so if you're using a mobile computer like myself right here, you can just go ahead and see the Web3 wallet by navigating through your Binance account. And from here, you can just navigate through your wallet and you will be able to see the Web3 wallet. Now, if it's not on the wallet section, you can just go ahead and search for the Binance Web3 on Google. And from here, you will be able to see the official website, which is binance.com/web3 wallet. And so once inside the application or page right here, it's as simple as clicking on the Create Wallet button. So let's go ahead and click on the Get Started. And you will be able to simply scan this QR code to get started with your wallet. And so let's just go ahead and download it into our Android or iOS devices right here. Simply right after, it will then take you to this page right here on your mobile devices. So I've already created my wallet. And once again, you want to make sure that you complete your verification. In my case, the verification is failed because unfortunately Binance is now disabled or not available on my region. So from here inside your wallet, you want to go ahead and back it up. Basically, Binance will show you a recovery seed phrase, typically 12 or 24 words. You want to write it down and store it safely offline. Never share your recovery phrase with anyone. It's the master key through your wallet. Now, you can also set up social recovery options like linking trusted contracts who can help you recover your wallet if you lose access. From there, you then want to simply confirm and finalize your wallet after securing your recovery phrase. You'll be asked to confirm it by selecting the words in the correct order. Once you confirm it, your Binance Web3 wallet is now ready to use. And so, how can you go ahead and fund your Binance Web3 wallet right here? The first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and click on the receive button. Once again, my verification is this approved, but as you can see right here, I'm able to simply deposit funds into my Web3 wallet. So I'm stuck with the second step, which is the verification. But basically all you have to do is to go ahead and click on the receive button inside your Web3 wallet, and from there it's as simple as clicking on the network and token that you want to deposit. It's like the normal deposit on the Binance account right here. If you click on the deposit button, you will be able to simply choose the cryptocurrencies right here, the network, and the deposit address. And so it's as similar as this one. You'll go ahead and see your public address, so you want to copy it and you want to send crypto from your main Binance Exchange account or another wallet to this specific address right here. Once again, it will then look something like this, where you have to grab your wallet and send it or paste it into another exchange that you have on that specific account. Now, transfers within Binance are fast and often have zero or low fees, especially on BNB Smart Chain. Now, let's talk about the best practices for using the Web3 wallet right here. You want to secure your recovery phrase. Once again, you want to store it in a password manager or write it offline. You want to always double check networks. Sending assets to the wrong network address could result in loss. You want to beware of scams. Never share private keys or seed phrases with anyone. And lastly, you want to use two-factor authentication. You can add an extra layer of security to your Binance account. And so there you have it. That's exactly how you can create and start using Binance Web3 Wallet step by step. Now you can explore the world of DeFi, NFTs, and decentralized application, all while keeping your assets safe and under your control. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future crypto guides and Web3 tips. If you have any questions or want part 2, where I will show you on how you can connect Binance Web3 Wallet to DeFi applications, just let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.